This is Lucy McMonagle. I'd like to tell you a little bit about my new book, Magic Mindset and Manifestations. This book will help you if your heart's telling you one thing and your head's going in the opposite direction. I talk about my wealthy bohemian money pouch, the 12 chakras, and I also get into the details on money mindset and why isn't the law of attraction working for you. You can get this book at any major online bookstore. Plus, you can get this through Walmart, Target, and Amazon. If you're outside of the United States, check your local major online bookstore and you can get the book there too. I'm really excited. Please make sure you get my book, write a 5-star review, and have an incredible new year.